Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my first ever, or anyone's first ever, because this is a brand new box. It's the Ipsy Glam Bag X right here. This bag costs $55 a month. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. If you want to see what I got in my box, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you're not aware, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service. You get beauty, makeup, skincare products, and this specific box is a brand new one. It costs $55 a month, and you get, I believe it's about 6 to 7 or maybe 8, somewhere around there, beauty products, and you get full-size beauty products for the price of $55, and usually you get a pretty nice value for what you pay. So with Ipsy, they pick 3 of your products out for you for this specific box, and then they give you choices for the next 3 items, and then you have to pick from the different choices. I'm going to show you guys what my choices were, and then I'll show you what I ended up picking. But I hope that made a little bit of sense. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I see in here is like this little newspaper. Pretty cute. It says Ipsy Glam Bag X, curated by Patrick Ta. Yes, this is like a little newspaper talking about all the different products that were offered in the bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna get to it because this video is gonna be really long. Let me start showing you guys what they first chose for me. So the first thing that they chose for me is the Patrick Ta Beauty Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush, and She's Passionate. And this is it right here. So I actually don't know much about Patrick Ta. I know that he's a makeup artist and he's very raved about. But I do love blush. That's the shade right here. It looks kind of peachy and very light. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I hope it's pigmented, but so far the little packaging on the box is really nice. Okay, here's what we get. The little compact, very cute. You get a really nice size mirror in here, which I love. This is a really nice compact, and here is the blush. I'm gonna attempt to swatch it. This looks so pretty, I almost don't even want to touch it, but I wonder if this is gonna be like pigmented enough. Okay, I did get some pigment, so I think it might actually be more pigmented than I expected it to be. This looks really nice for spring. I will really need to layer it a lot if I want a lot of color, but see, it is building up nicely. I think it's a really pretty blush, and I honestly just decluttered all of my makeup, so I don't have too many blushes. So I'm excited to have this now in my collection. It's really, really pretty, and I do like the packaging too. The next item in my box is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette, the remastered version, whatever that means. And I'm actually wearing that in my eyes today. I knew that this box was coming today, where I was hoping that it will be delivered on time. And I did my makeup, and it arrived like right before my eyes had to be done, and I just had to play with it. But the palette, the packaging is just stunning, like out of this world. I think it's so pretty. That's what it looks like in the front. This is the little insert inside. I think it's so pretty. You get a really nice size mirror right there, which I love. And here's the palette. It's just beautiful. I love the berry tones in here. I think it's perfect to get this right before Valentine's Day, because you can definitely create a very beautiful berry tone look, but you can also create a very light everyday look with this. These are my favorite kinds of color stories for everyday wear. Really just beautiful. And I am wearing it on the eyes again, and I will have a tutorial for this look and some swatches of this palette coming to my channel right after this. But that was the next item that Ipsy chose for me, and I think I was the most excited about this from the whole box. That's what made me go ahead and sign up for it. The next item that Ipsy chose for me was the About Face Painted Matte Lip Color in Cautionary Tale, and this is from House's new makeup line, and I'm excited to have this. It looks like I got a really nice color. I'm so excited to see how it looks in person because it's a new brand. Really cute. I thought it was bigger. It's a really pretty packaging, kind of unique. The top here is like very soft and rubbery. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This might have actually, I always smell things. It smells so different than what I'm used to. It's almost like herbs. I don't know how to explain that. Yeah, like some kind of herb, but This might have actually worked perfectly with this eyeshadow look today. But let me swatch it. I just love colorful makeup, man. Ooh. I think that swatches so beautifully. And I really want to use that soon. I really like it. It smells like herbs. I don't know how to explain it. Very interesting. I think it's cool when you get like brand new products that just launched. But that's the blush swatched and the lipstick swatched. I think that's really nice. I love that 3 of the products that they chose for me were all makeup products. That makes me really happy. That makes me really happy because I prefer makeup over skincare. And usually Ipsy is very, very, very skincare heavy. So when they offer makeup, I get very excited. But okay, the next item that they chose for me is the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara in Extreme Black. It comes in this very like neon royal blue packaging. Interesting. I would not think that this was a mascara. I thought it was maybe brushes, even though I didn't get brushes in my box. Okay, so this is what the mascara looks like. Let's open it up and see what the wand looks like. I don't need more mascara, but I know I'll get use out of this someday. And I know Pat McGrath is a very expensive brand, so I appreciate that they included it in this box, because this box is supposed to be more luxurious than like your Glam Bag Plus or your regular Glam Bag. So I expected like luxury items in here. So this is what the wand looks like. It's a pretty big wand. I always smell everything. Just it smells like a typical mascara, but I'm glad that I got it, even though I'm not going to use it. Well, I might try it out soon. I keep saying that I don't need mascaras, but lately I've been getting obsessed with them. I don't know why. And they did also choose another thing for me. I honestly was not keeping track of how many items they chose for me. This is the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. I haven't tried something like this. I think I got this from like something similar to this from Back to Charm months ago, and I haven't tried it yet. But it does look really pretty, and I guess you're supposed to massage your face with this, which I think is cool to get something like this in a luxury box. I might try that out very soon. But let me kind of recap, because I think I got more in here than I expected. So we got this face massager. We got a blush, Pat McGrath mascara, About Face lipstick, and the Huda Beauty palette that they chose for me. So all in all, I got 5 items that Ipsy chose for me, and then the next 3 items were things that I chose. So I guess I was kind of wrong about the items that you get. I got 8 total items in my Glam Bag X for $55, which so far sounds really nice. Like, that's a great value. But let me get started showing you guys what I chose. Okay guys, so for my first item, I had the choice of the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser, Go Fighting MD Daily Moisturizer, Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner, IGK Hair First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, and also the Private Doctor Define Minus Serum and Tokyo Milk and Soul Hand Cream. Right off the bat, I said, what? This is a lot of skincare and just things that are not makeup related, which is what I usually prefer. But again, my choices that they chose for me were makeup heavy, so I kind of expected that. I was really confused. I didn't know what to pick, and I was kind of going back and forth and reading about the different skincare items that maybe I won't even need, but I needed to pick something. So I went with the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. And this brightens, retexturizes, and firms your skin. And it's 20% vitamin C and L-ascorbic acid. It says in the box that this is clinically tested to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles and improve firm skin tones. So that's why I chose it, because it sounded really nice. But I honestly have never heard of this brand, and I haven't heard of this product either. But it does sound promising, and it is a pump product. And that's what it looks like. That's the consistency. It doesn't smell like anything really. It's a really nice and smooth and kind of thin consistency. But I think I might go ahead and give this a try, because I have extremely dry skin. And why not? So that was the first item that I chose. For my second product, I had the choice of the Farah Rendezvous Brush Set, Item Beauty One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist, Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening, something that's brightening and cooling, Marmalade Nails Press On Manicure Kit, the Cream Shop Ethereal Glow Ampoule Serum. It's a serum from the Cream Shop. Saints and Sinners, another serum, Divine Shine Holographic Serum. So just a lot of different serums and skincare, just like the first option. And I just was not excited either. I was a little bit confused about what to get. I was going back and forth between the products, trying to read about them. With skincare, I feel like I have a really good routine down. So when I find products that I love, I'm a little bit skeptical of trying things because I find things that I love, because I feel like skincare can make you break out if it doesn't work for your skin type. So, and I have very sensitive skin, so I don't try to venture out into too many products like I do with makeup. But I went ahead and chose the Saints and Sinners Illuminati Divine Shine Holographic Serum. I love the name. And this is supposed to provide brilliant reflective illumination in a holographic treatment serum that's ideal for all hair types. Oh, it's for your hair. Okay, now I remember. Iridescent humidity resistant shine fused with protective botanicals. Sounds really nice, and it says you're supposed to shake well, apply sparingly throughout wet or dry hair, and style as desired. Okay, I think I went ahead and chose something for my hair because I just did not need anything else for skin. So that's cool. Let me smell it because I actually like things like this. It smells almost citrusy. My hair is like very dry, and in the summer it's extremely frizzy. In the winter, kind of still. It looks like it's really, really thick in there. Ooh. Let me just get a little bit in my hand. It feels like a really thick texture. I'm just gonna kind of put it all over my hands and apply it to this dry area of my hair. Ooh, it made it so shiny. See, I don't want it to be greasy. I mean, I don't think it looked greasy, but my kind of hair is so dry that I think I picked the right product. I might end up loving this product. So far, I like that. I think that's really nice when you do a blowout, which I did today. To just apply a little bit to make it nice and, I don't know, shiny, but not greasy. I'm glad that I chose that. So that was my second product. Okay, guys, so for my third product, I had the choice of the Ipsy Kiss and Makeup Clutch, just like a little bag, Complex Culture Angled Foundation Brush, Kitsch Velvet Scrunchies, Misco Beauty Nail Lacquer Duo, and also Babe Lash Essential Serum, and a Beauty Blender sponge, the Queen Original Sponge. So for this, I wasn't so confused. Like, everything didn't excite me too much. So I went with the Complex Culture Foundation Brush. In the end, I don't think I needed this because after I chose this, my Glam Bag Plus, which I'll be sharing that soon whenever it arrives, I created a separate account just to be able to get that this month. And I got another foundation brush from them. And then I also got like another foundation brush from Morphe Foundation that I bought recently. So I feel like I better not get any more foundation brushes from anyone in the near future. But I do love Complex Culture brushes, and I really love the way that this looks, so I wanted to try it out. I have their fluffy powder brush, and I love it. I use it every single day. And this one just looks so interesting to me, the shape like this. I feel like it looks really nice to get into, like, I don't know, between your nose and all the curvatures in my face. So I really wanted to try it out because I also just love their brushes in general. It's extremely plush and soft. So this I'm excited about. I'm excited about it even though I have so many new foundation brushes. But it's nice to have a good variety. And I just know that this brand makes amazing brushes, so I'm glad that I'm trying it out. So I think that was my last product in my box. Yes. So just to recap, in my $55 Glam Bag X, I received a Complex Culture foundation brush, this face massager, About Face lipstick, Patrick Ta blush, a serum for my hair, a serum for my face, a mascara from Pat McGrath, and an eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. Okay, guys, so I think that for their first Glam Bag X, Ipsy did an amazing job, and I am signed up for the May box, so I'm excited to see what's in that one. Did you guys get your Glam Bag X's? Did you sign up? What did you get in your boxes? I'm interested to know. Let me know in the comments down below. And I think that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and make sure to stay tuned because tomorrow or the day after, I'm going to upload a tutorial for this eyeshadow look. But I hope that you guys have an amazing day today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.